Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to the HP Smart app. First, confirm your printer is powered on and ready for connection, receiving power from an outlet. Next, download the HP Smart app directly to your mobile device or computer from your specific app store. Once downloaded, open the application and agree to the terms and conditions, which prepares the app for your printer's integration. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup experience. Now, let's prepare your printer for connection. Navigate to your printer's control panel or display screen. You'll typically find a wireless or network icon. From there, select the Wireless Setup Wizard option. It will then display available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Choose your home or office network from the list, making sure it is the same network your device is using. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the connection, confirming a strong, stable signal. With your printer connected to Wi-Fi, go back to the HP Smart app on your device. Look for a prominent plus symbol or Add Printer button, usually located on the main screen. Tap this button to instruct the app to begin scanning for available printers. The app will search for devices connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or computer. Once your printer model appears in the list, tap on it to proceed with the secure connection, initiating the pairing process. Almost there, continue following the simple, on-screen instructions provided by the HP Smart app. These steps will guide you through the finalization of your printer setup, including any necessary driver installations or firmware updates. Installing these updates ensures your printer operates at its best and has access to all the latest features. Once complete, you can effortlessly print documents, scan images, check ink and toner levels, and manage various printer settings, all from within the convenient HP Smart app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.